Welcome to the English Literature class. We were learning the lesson Salvatore by William Somerset Maugham. Before continuing the lesson, I would like to give a short summary about the portion that we did in the last classes. The story Salvatore by William Somerset Maugham begins abruptly. I wonder if I can do it. This is a line that the author is saying directly to the reader that he is actually wondering whether he can do it. Now, what is he talking about? We don't know. And this is what is called authorial intrusion. An intrusion by the author telling something to the reader right in the first sentence. But we will come to know about it in the last paragraph. We first come across Salvatore through the eyes of the narrator as a carefree boy of 15. Being a son of an Italian fisherman, Salvatore spent most of his time on the beach. This jolly kid with a pleasant face, a laughing mouth, and a carefree eyes loves to swim, climb the rocks, and go around in a carefree fashion. He is as thin as a rail. He acts as a nursemaid to his brothers and makes sure they do not miss their frugal midday meal. He grew up rapidly and he falls in love with a girl who lives in Grand Marina. Later, they got engaged. However, the duty towards his country calls him to join the navy and he had to leave his village. He weeps like a child and he misses the islands of Ischia and Vesuvius, which he now realized were parts of his life as important as his hands and legs. He felt lonely in the battleship, living with strangers and also in the noisy, friendless cities where he landed. Salvatore he now grew homesick, and above all these, he missed his fiancée the most. In service, Salvatore was sent to many places like Spezia, Venice, Bari, and China. He fell ill when he was in China, and as he was suffering from rheumatism, which is painful joints, he was considered unfit for further service. Salvatore did not mind his illness and rather felt happy to return to his own home. He was eager to meet his family and fiancée. On his return, he was very emotionally welcomed by his parents and brothers with great deal of kissing and cry of joy. But Salvatore was looking for his girl in the crowd, but in vain she was not there. When he went to her house, she was sitting with her mother at the doorstep. They had already received the news of his illness and learned that he would never be quite well. That is, he would never recover from the illness completely and would never be strong enough to support a family. So his fiancee's mother bluntly told him that her daughter could not marry him now. He was heartbroken when he heard this, but he did not blame the girl. One day, Salvatore's mother told him about Asunta, a girl older than him who had seen him at the festival, fallen in love with him, and wanted to marry him. Though at first he denied, but finally he decided to marry her.